Good morning, students. Today we are doing some more numerical of the chapter Forces and Laws of Motion. Now these numericals, these are based on the Newton's second law. According to the Newton's second law, the force applied is the product of the mass and acceleration. Now the first question we are starting. A truck start from rest. Now whenever this line come from rest, it means the initial velocity it is 0, rolls down a hill with constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter in 20 seconds. The distance it is given 400 meter and time it is taking 20 seconds. You have to find acceleration and the force acting on it if the mass is 7 ton. Now you have to convert this. Whenever the ton or the any other unit it is given, you have to convert into the kg. So 7 ton is there. When you will multiply by 1000, you will get 7000. Okay. Now when you write the given condition, s equal to 400 meter, time is 20 second, initial velocity is 0. Now to calculate the force we use formula m into a, but in this question if we see the acceleration it is not given, so first we have to find the acceleration. So to find out the acceleration we are using the second equation, the s equal to ut plus half at square. When you substitute the values, s it is 400, this term will be 0, half into a into 20 square, that will be the 400. So on solving you will get 200a. From here we are getting 200a equal to 400. So when you solving you will get 2 meter per second square. Now for the mass 7 ton it is given. So when you multiply by 1000 you will get 7000 and F equal to m into a. So when you substitute the values you will get 14,000 Newton. Now another question, a stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of a lake and come to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meter. You have to calculate the force. Now a stone of 1 kg, so it is m is 1 kg, is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of a lake. It means the initial velocity it is given as a 20 meter per second. Now after covering a certain distance it comes to rest, so final velocity it is 0, distance it is covering as the 50 meter. Now according to third equation, now as per the given condition if we see, you have to calculate first acceleration. Now since v, u and s is given, no time is there, so we can use the third equation, v square minus u square equal to 2as. So s will be equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. Now we know that a square minus b square, we can write a plus b, a minus b. So here we are writing v plus u and v minus u and 2a as it is. So as it is given as 50, v minus u it is, you have to write here 0 minus 20 and 0 plus 20 upon 2a. Now you have to find out the value of the a. So when you will cross multiply you will get 100a minus 20 into 20 and a equal to minus 20 into 20, this 100 will go down and this 0 and 0 will cancel, so you will get answer minus 4 meter per second square. Okay, now this was the acceleration. We have to calculate the force, F equal to m into a. So when 1 will be multiplied with this minus 4, you will get the minus 4 Newton. So like this we will be calculating the force. Now last question, an automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. What must be the force between the vehicle if it is having acceleration of 1.7 meter per second square? M it is given as the 1500 kg, acceleration is 1.7. just simple we have to use the formula to calculate force, that is F equal to m into a. So when you substitute the values, 1500 minus 1.7 you will get minus 2550 Newton. So like this we will be solving the question. You have to, whenever the acceleration is not given, so as per the given condition you have to decide for the calculation of the acceleration whether you will be using the second formula or you have to use the third formula. So how you will find out? By the given condition we will be find out whether second equation to be used or the third equation.